General guidelines for construction site safety. 1. Site security. The job site must be secured at all times. Security personnel are responsible for preventing unauthorized entry. 2. Head protection. Anyone entering the site should wear head protection until overhead work is done. Security personnel ensure this. 3. Personal protective equipment. PPE. All employees must use proper PPE like eye protection. Concerned, supervisor, engineer, foreman are responsible. 4. Job knowledge. Ensure adequate knowledge about the job before starting. Concerned, supervisor, engineer, project in charge are responsible. 5. Job safety analysis. Do safety analysis for each activity to identify hazards and control procedures. Concerned, supervisor, engineer, project in charge. Handle this. 6. Report near misses. Report all near misses and unusual incidents to superiors for investigation. 7. Danger warning. Warn site workers about dangers due to ongoing jobs. Concerned supervisor, chakra engineer, do this. 8. Contractor training. Contractors must be trained to work safely and handle emergencies. Concerned supervisor, engineer oversee this. 9. Avoid unsafe acts. All personnel must avoid unsafe acts and not ignore safety precautions. 10. Emergency signals. Everyone should know emergency signals and actions. Employees inform, train contractors and visitors. 11. Use right tools. Use proper tools for jobs. No makeshift tools allowed to prevent accidents. Concerned supervisor, engineer, ensure this. If you found this safety video helpful, please like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more safety updates.